Turning to politics, Silvio Berlusconi, do you love him or do you hate him?
Either you love him or you hate him. But no matter how, Silvio is and has been for the past 30 years this important. It's a myth to identify Italy. He had a sense of humor. He still has a sense of humor. And it does. And I admire one thing in Silvio. He never takes himself too seriously. He's never tragic. Maybe he's tragic to his partners, but not to Italians. He is the living commedia dell'arte. And I believe that this is the only way out, not only for Italy, for whole Europe, including England. Because Tony Blair is not commedia dell'arte, it's the tragedy of the arte. And fine, he's a liar, but the theater is a liar too. But it's a beautiful liar. He's ugly. Silvio? No. He's happy. After all, in the Constitution, in Independence Hall in Philadelphia, what is written? That we all must have the right to pursue happiness. But being happiness abstract, everyone has his own way to get into happiness. He has a good way to get into happiness.